Hey guys, my name's David. I just purchased a DualLiner bed liner for my 2018 Dodge 1500. I have the crew cab with a 6'4" bed. I'm from Wisconsin originally, so I was pretty happy to find out that this also was based out of Wisconsin, this company. I ordered the dual bed liner and they sent it out free shipping. I installed it in about 20 minutes with no problem. The instructions were awesome and the online video was also really helpful. I was kind of skeptical about the rubber floor mat at first, thinking that it may tear easy, but after getting it I was pleasantly surprised to see how well it holds up. It's a heavy-duty, rugged mat. I don't think it's going to tear. I'll probably have this truck for the next 7 or 8 years, and I have no doubt that this bed liner will last that long. It fit around all the factory tie downs. It fit perfectly in the bed. I'm really happy with it overall. It looks great, and also with DualLiner offering a military discount, that helped. Yeah, so here's a photo of it. I don't know if you can see that or not, kind of installed in the back of my truck already. And anyway, I'd recommend this product to other truck buyers. I've been really happy with it. Thanks.